Good morning and happy Groundhog Day. I'm Jim Scott with your national weather forecast. As we kick off the second day of February, the weather pattern across the country continues to feel very much like midwinter, and whether or not the groundhog sees his shadow, cold air still has a firm grip on a large part of the nation today. So stick with me as we head into just what you can expect. A broad area of cold air remains intense across much of the central and eastern United States. This is not a fast-moving pattern, and temperatures remain well below normal for early February in many locations. Meanwhile, the western U.S. stays under the influence of high pressure, keeping conditions quieter and more stable compared to the rest of the country. If you're new to my weather videos, I'm Jim Scott, and with 25 years experience with being around the weather and forecasting as a hobby, along with being an amateur radio operator and GMRS, General Mobile Radio Service. I am also the Wayne County, Indiana Skywarn Coordinator. I am recognized by Wayne County EMA and the Whitewater Valley Amateur Radio Club and Wilmington National Weather Service. Just to give you a little history on myself. Okay, let's get into what you're here for. The weather from Jim Scott's Weather Desk. From the plains through the Midwest, Great Lakes, Ohio Valley, and into the Northeast, it's another cold Groundhog Day. Morning lows are starting out in the single digits and teens, and a few northern locations still near below zero. Afternoon highs struggle to warm up, generally topping out in the teens or the lower 20s. Even where sunshine breaks through, lingering breezes continue to produce uncomfortable wind chills, especially during the first morning hours. Widespread heavy snow is not expected today, but leftover slick spots and patchy blowing snow may still cause travel issues, particularly on untreated roads, so use caution out there. Downwind of the Great Lakes, lake effect snow showers remain possible at times. These bands can produce localized accumulation. Brief reduction in visibility may occur, especially early in the day or again towards the evening. Conditions can change quickly under lake effect snow, so travelers in these areas should stay alert. Across the deep south and the Gulf Coast, conditions are quieter overall. Skies are mostly dry. Temperatures remain colder than normal for early February, and some areas begin the day near or just below freezing before warming into the 40s and 50s during the afternoon. While winter weather impacts are limited, chilly morning still means protecting plants, pets, and pipes in these cold temperatures. Out west, high pressure remains firmly in control. Much of the west coast, southwest, and Intermountain West stays dry and relatively quiet. Temperatures are closer to the seasonal average, and the Pacific Northwest may see some clouds or maybe a few spotty light showers, but no widespread impact weather is expected. Overall, the West remains the calm side of the national weather picture today. The bottom line on this Groundhog Day, winter is clearly not ready to give up just yet. Cold temperatures continue to dominate much of the central and eastern U.S., with lingering slick spots and lake effect snow still worth watching in some areas. While major storm system is not in play today, winter hazards remain. So bundle up, take it slow if you're traveling, and continue watching the road conditions out there. I'm Jim Scott, and that's your national weather forecast from Jim Scott's Weather Desk. Stay warm, stay safe, and I'll be back with another national weather forecast soon. Well, good morning, everyone in Indiana and Ohio. I'm Jim Scott, and here's your forecast for your Monday through midweek and what you can expect. For your Monday, we stay mostly cloudy with a slight chance of light snow before 1 p.m. Snow chances are low, only looking at a 20%, and if anything falls, it should be light with little impact, but you may still find a few slick spots on untreated surfaces. High temperatures reach near 28 degrees, but it won't feel that mild early. Wind chills may dip as low as 3 below zero during the morning. Winds will be out of the south at 6 to 8 miles per hour, which will help temperatures slowly recover through the afternoon. For your Monday morning commute, allow a little extra time with the wind chills below zero and a slight chance of light snow. Watch for patchy slick spots on untreated roads, bridges, and overpasses especially. Monday night stays cloudy with lows falling to around 20 degrees. A light southwest wind around 5 miles per hour becomes calm after midnight, which may allow temperatures to settle late. Tuesday looks similar, mostly cloudy with another slight chance of snow at 20%. So any snow would again be light and mainly something to watch for the minor slick spots and rather than widespread accumulation. High temperatures climb to near 29 degrees, a heat wave. Winds start to calm down, then become out of the north at around 5 miles per hour during the afternoon, bringing a slightly cooler feel to late in the day. So for your Tuesday morning commute, it will be cold and mostly cloudy. While snow chances are low, any light snow could still cause isolated slick spots in areas. So take it slow and leave extra time. Tuesday night turns mostly cloudy with lows dropping to around 9 degrees above zero. Moving into Wednesday, Wednesday brings a bit of improvement with partly sunny skies, but it stays cold. High temperatures reach near 19 degrees, so still below normal, but at least we get some sunshine out there. Wednesday night becomes mostly cloudy, with lows falling to around 4 above zero. Overall, we're looking at a quiet pattern with mostly cloudy, spotty light snow chances, and temperatures hovering near the upper 20s by day, but still cold at night. So keep an eye out for a few slick spots during the morning hours, especially where any light snow falls. I'm Jim Scott. That's your forecast from Jim Scott's Weather Desk. Stay warm and stay safe.